Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick journal flip through, and this one is just slightly different to previous ones because I plucked up the courage to sell a journal. I have never sold one of my journals before. I've always just either made them for myself or as gifts that I've given away. So this one is currently on Etsy, and I don't know why I'm nervous about it. It's a new experience. I guess that must be what it's about. But this little guy, really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm really loving the cover as well. It is stitched, and the fabric was soaked in turmeric, which is how I was able to get this beautiful sort of goldy yellow color. So let me do a quick little flip through for you. Now, for anybody who's been watching my videos, you'll start recognizing a few things. This is from that very large snippet roll that I did a few months ago, and these are some collage fodder pieces. I have some coloring in pages here, some of my lovely postcards and a little to-do list, some stained card, whole bunch. This is some printing that I did a video of. Lots of little stickers and pockets and booklets and lots of space to journal. Lots of journal space, sticker space, more space up there. Get that back in. Alright, just go. Those who bring sunshine into the lives of others cannot keep it from themselves. James N. Barrie. I always love just putting something positive in there. It's a lovely belly band. More of that paper that we did it with string, if you remember, if you were watched that video. And this journal actually has a secret, because this journal, there's another pocket, has a journal within a journal. So this is a little sneaky journal within a journal that I have popped in here. I thought that was kind of sneaky but fun, and here you go. Lots and lots of journaling space. This is that leaf watercolor printing project that I did not so long ago. More of that printing paper. This was from the video when we made our own paint, our own watercolor paint, and then I painted this with that watercolor paint. Sorry, that is a journaling card in like that. Here is a envelope that I made, and lots of little bits and pieces are in here, and another cute little guy down here, little sneaky pocket. This is some faux leather, and then a mini belly. There's a mini belly with a sticker tag in it. Some more writing space. And you'll notice in this journal that I did leave a lot of more open space, like here and here, because I feel whoever decides to purchase this journal will have the opportunity to put in their own stickers. Maybe it was a concert sticker that you have, or some memory that you want to paste into this journal. More of little bits and pieces. Cute little pocket down there. Another little bookie. So you have to pull that out, open the little extra. And this pocket also was one of our collage videos from quite a while back, actually. More writing space, empty space for you. There we go. This is from our Kindness Is video. beautiful writing space, and then that's it. And so more of that snippet roll, the very big one that I did, I think it was actually last year, and then the end of the journal with all that gorgeous stitching and the yellow gold that I really love. And then I have the binding at the back with some tassels and this pretty little flower. And I don't know if you can see it, but on this middle piece here, this button, it says happy. So I'm very happy with how this journal turned out. I'll be sad to see it go, and I hope that somebody does absolutely adore it and love it and use it and have all their memories tucked away in all the pockets and the sleeves and the pages. But I thought I'd share it with you and let you know that it's now on the Etsy store. All right, you guys, thank you for popping back in, visiting with me. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.